Well, it's kind of. There, John Cena, boy. Ah! Bobby did. You sound violent. I guess you want to be Fulu. My leg.